have to say I'm glad we keep meeting like this. I'm just outside. We're actually almost close to Lake Geneva. The folks here are just too nice. They've given me a great opportunity to do a garden. It's about 3,000 square feet. And we laid out the garden the other day and mulched it. So we're planting today. So I'm laying out the patterns. And I had some field adjusting to do because 2 of the paths were taken out and 1 was narrowed. And then the other side of the garden was widened a little bit. So I took some of the patterns I had along the edge and I had to twist them, and I'll show that to you. I twisted them a little bit and then dragged them through the center of the large part of the garden. And basically that's a big part of what I do. It's field adjustments on every project, and you all know that. That's the way we lay gardens out. So we'll show you some of the patterns that we're creating. We're going to fire the drill up soon, so it's going to get noisy, and we're going to get going. So let's see what we can put together. On this part of the garden, it slopes down to a moist area, so I made a few changes. I put in Nepeta subsessilis and drifted in Sprobolus heterolepis, and that gives way to a grouping of Provskia little spire drifting through here with Echinacea alba and Schizachyrium little luke as a filler in between that. And that'll drift mostly through this whole center of the bed. And in the front we pick up Calamintha nepeta and a large grouping of Stachys humilo, and that ties into the Provskia little spire along with the Echinacea alba and those nice clouds of blue Nepeta subsessilis with the Sprobolus, the soft texture Sprobolus drifting through it. So that's basically the end. And then some Coreopsis Zagreb, a band of it in front of the Provskia. And that's where we're at right now with this part. In the large area, this is where we made a change. That got wider and we took the path out. So I took the Salvia Wiesui and Salvia Snowhill, and I created a drift of that weaving through here, through the center. And then that's going to be mingled in with Millennia Paul Peterson as it drifts through the center. And tall grasses will be Millennia Transparent, and that'll be surrounded by some Agastache and some Parthenium, and that'll drift into Silphia mori. The Silphia mori is just a really nice upright plant with butter yellow flowers and a coarse texture. So that'll be the side here, and then Calamintha and Allium Summer Beauty drifting through the side. And then we have Echinacea little luke with Limonium, I think Limonium latifolium drifting through it in larger groups.